Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, in celebration of the new Fate movie, I decided to open up Sakura, or Dark Sakura. Yep, that's the box art, and let's go unbox her. Oh, she's out of her box. She does have an accompanying figure, which is why the base is like this. But I don't have that saber. I don't really like it too much, so decided not to get it. But this Sakura figure, this Dark Sakura figure, does come with two different heads. One where she's like, I don't know, one where she looks listless, so this head, and the one where she looked like she's enjoying herself being evil, which is the one that I just took off. I like this one better. Looks like she's emotionless, she doesn't know what she's doing, and she's just like pure evil, you know? Alright, so, yep, here she is. Now for some close-ups. Look at that. Freaking love this one. It's just like, I'm gonna kill you. And even though this is an older figure, Gift really did an excellent job in quality control, in detail, and in like sculpting the figure itself. I mean, the base is a little bland because it's just a glossy black base, but it's not too bad. The blood red and the black, and the mixture between the both, look amazing together. Like the runs of red that are, I think, infected mana circuits or whatever, look really good. Like that, super cool. Yep. There really isn't like much for me to like really criticize, just cause this is just really good. Look at that. Wow, stunning. Alright guys, that's Dark Sakura Matou by Gift. Alright guys, so you can pick this up off of eBay or Yahoo Japan or Amazon Japan, maybe even like Solaris Japan. It will cost you a pretty penny though. I think between 300 or 400, especially with the movie coming out. But yeah, anyways, if you like this video, give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.